Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Well, hello everyone, and I am Dee. Hello everyone. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and welcome to my channel. Let me tell you, you haven't seen this room in a while. And let me tell you why I'm inside, because it is 100 degrees outside. I ain't going out there. It's too dang hot. And I hate to say that because my husband works outside. He's a truck driver. And so he's in and out of the heat all day long. So I am so sorry, sweetie, but it's too hot for me. So the reason I'm in here is because I am going to show you, and I think I've already shown you, have I? I don't know, but what I'm going to show you is me putting holes in these 5-gallon buckets because I finally got my seed potatoes in, and I'm going to plant those. And I also have sweet potato slips. I know it's late, but I got to get them in because they are taking over my bar, the bar in my kitchen countertop. Yeah, gotta get them planted. I don't know I think it's too hot for them to go out now, but I know I need to get them out. I even think it's too hot to put the potatoes out there because I know you're supposed to plant things early morning or later in the evening. Answer my own question, didn't I? So anywho, we're gonna get on with the bucket holing thing. So the first set of buckets that I had, I used my husband's drill and I drilled holes into the bottom of the buckets. That was super messy. And I mean messy, I had plastic flying everywhere. So what I did was my husband gave me his old soldering iron, the little
Soldering iron.
I'll show you. It's a little one. It's not one of the really thick ones, but it's big enough to burn a hole. And if I want the hole bigger, all I have to do is just move it around to make the hole bigger. So I'm going to put holes in these buckets, and that's what this video is about. They're drain holes. I'm not going to put a whole lot. I'll probably put 5 on the bottom and 4 on each side, just for GP, Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get to burning holes in the bucket. Okay. Now pray I don't burn myself, because it's already plugged up and hot. Now I have the fan on to keep the fumes from the plastic burning, because this should be done outside, but it's too hot. So I'm going to do it. I don't even know what to call it now since it's no longer my seed room, but I guess it's still my seed room. But anyway, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take it, and let me zoom in so you can see. And I'm just going to do one here And then I'm gonna do 4 around it. I always try to do one in the middle. And I'm gonna go all the way down. So that's 1 hole. That's 1 hole. That's 1. 1. And 1. See how quick that was? Now, if I was using a drill, we've had some issues. Okay, so for here, I'm gonna do 1. Now these are not even gonna be even, y'all. 2. 3. 4. And that's it for that bucket. On to bucket number 2. And you'll see me do the same thing. I won't be talking, so you'll just see me doing this.
I would advise you all to perform this duty outside. You need proper ventilation for your lungs and air quality inside your home. This is a lesson learned for Dee.
I guess I could show you one really close up so you can see what the hole looks like.
And a half hours later.
Okay, I know you can see the reflection of my lights on my TV. Sorry, I got the hiccups now. Sorry about the reflection. See if I can put my big head in the way. Block it. I'm about to choke myself.
Dee, go get some fresh air.
I got 11 buckets with holes in it now. I could have gotten away without putting the holes on the sides, but because the holes were so small, I went on and just decided to put holes around the outside of the bucket or buckets. But that's it. Easy peasy. Now I can plant potatoes, whatever I want to plant in there, I can plant in there. I am going to plant my seed potatoes that I just got in the mail today. And you know, sometimes companies are, you know, I think, well, I am not going to claim that. I ain't gonna do it, but it seems like one thing after another, and I get where people say it seems like there are things that happen that make you feel like you want to give up. Don't do it. Hang in there. Because you know the issue that I was having, or I am having with, well, yeah, I'm still having that issue. With the compost / manure that I'd been using. But now I had placed an order online. I finally found a vendor that had seed potatoes because I could not find any from any nursery around in my area. No hardware stores had any, you know, because some of them do carry seed potatoes from, you know, your local, you know, area. I couldn't find them anywhere. I mean, nowhere. And then I finally, anywhere online, you just could not find them. Everybody was out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. So I have learned you got to order those bad boys early, really early if you want to grow potatoes. But I finally found a vendor that had some. They were not the ones that I necessarily wanted. However, I did want this variety. It is the
I believe D calls this CRS. Can't remember shit.
oh, cheese fries. Now my battery light is flashing. Hang on. Okay. Sorry about that. My battery light started flashing, and I did remember I had the, I don't know where I put it now, the paperwork that came with it, because they were certified organic Kennebec white potatoes. So I found them. They said that they were going to deliver on August 7th. So I was like, cool. Then I get an email that says, your shipment has been delayed, and you're not going to get them until August 20th. And that they are shipping from, hang on, let me show you. I'm not going to show you, but I'll tell you. I wonder when are my t-shirts gonna come in too. Ooh, okay. Track package. It says departure Shenzhen, China. Yeah, Shenzhen, China. I'm like, anything from Shenzhen, China, and these potatoes should not be coming from Shenzhen, China, but that's what it says. So I immediately, because when I placed the order, it said it was in stock and that I would get it on the 7th. So yesterday I immediately sent an email that said, please cancel my order because you couldn't get them on the phone. And it's a local big box store that I found these at, that is in every city and every country. But it said it was in stock. So I contacted them and told them to cancel my order. And they sent an email to whoever they needed to send an email to cancel the order. But then today, when our post lady showed up, she had a box for me that said live plants handled with love, and it was my dang seed potatoes. Oh my God. Did they fly from China overnight, or were they really in stock here, as they said, and they just accidentally sent me somebody else's tracking information? Because if these are from China and it doesn't say anywhere on the box that it went through customs, that it came from China, none of that. So I don't know what the heck they're doing over there, but I guess that also explains how my husband ordered some some kind of fishing wire or something, because he's getting ready to do something in the living room with installing speakers into the wall and the ceiling, and so we'll have the surround sound, something that I don't even understand. But he ordered those this little fishing wire thing so he could do that. And instead of getting that, we got a mattress. Yeah, don't even ask. Don't even ask. And this is Amazon, my favorite store in the whole wide world. Oh, Lord Jesus, give me strength. So, thank you for joining me on my little video today. And that's it. I mean, super simple. Putting holes in the bottom of the buckets so you can grow whatever yummy vegetable or fruit that you are going to grow. You can do this in 5-gallon buckets. You can do this in, smaller buckets, larger buckets. Same rule applies. You just make sure that you have enough holes in there where the water will drain through and your roots are not just sitting in water, because if they're sitting in water, they're going to rot. And then that means that your fruit will die. And we don't want that to happen. Sorry about that smack. I do it when I'm not trying to for some strange reason. And I hate smacking. I hate hearing that sound. My husband hates it too, because he always tells me stop smacking. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to love. It's that 100-degree heat. I was out in it this morning a few minutes ago because I had to put the shade cloth on my little mini greenhouse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget also, or remember to, grow your own, eat your own. Until the next one, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.